Start by revealing the astonishing fact that dragon fruit is a type of cactus fruit with a unique appearance and taste. Introduce the ultimate guide to growing dragon fruit, a perfect starting point for beginners. Discuss the common challenges faced by beginners when trying to grow dragon fruit, such as soil requirements and pests. Delve into the step-by-step process of planting dragon fruit, including choosing the right location, soil, and watering techniques. Highlight key growth stages of dragon fruit plants, from planting to blooming and fruiting, providing essential care tips along the way. Summarize the crucial points covered in the guide, emphasizing the rewarding experience of cultivating dragon fruit at home. Encourage viewers to share their dragon fruit growing experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly gardening guides.